After serving a third of his 7-year sentence for conspiracy to defraud, Isaac Marrache told the parole board that if released, he intended to travel to live in New York and work as a consultant to a law firm. In a 29-page judgment, Supreme Court Judge Mr Justice Adrian Jack said on at least one interpretation of Marrache's evidence, the convicted fraudster was brazenly proposing to lie to the American immigration authorities and to lie to the law firm who were to employ him. Upon learning of Marrache's plans, the Minister for Justice, Costa, was not convinced he should be released, so he referred the matter to the Supreme Court. But then Marrache's lawyer submitted documents that made Mr Costa change his mind. GBC understands Marrache had vowed to remain in Gibraltar, so Mr Costa then signed off the convict's release himself. In his judgment, Mr Justice Jack expressed doubt as to whether the minister had the power to do so once he'd referred the matter to the court. But now the Justice Minister is challenging that view, arguing it was his prerogative to discontinue the matter which he himself initiated. In a document submitted to the Supreme Court, lawyers acting for Mr Costa argue points of law, suggesting the minister acted for compelling reasons of justice and/or public interest. The Justice Minister asks the Supreme Court judge for a final decision, firstly on whether he believes the minister was empowered to approve Marrache's release, after asking the court to do so, and if not, the Justice Minister doesn't think that the matter should be adjourned pending an application by one of the Marrache's many victims. Instead, Mr Costa asks Mr Justice Jack to himself and immediately take a view on the fraudster's parole status.